What? What? What the hell? I'm not going to eat banana peels. I would rather be fasting. Welcome back to my channel, and sorry that it took me quite a long time to produce any video. Hopefully you were completely fine during the meantime and you had some fun and lots of sunshine as well. So here I am. The new topic is banana peels. So can you eat banana peels? Yes, you can. Is it good for you? Apparently it is. Is it going to kill you? No, I still survive, so it's fine. So I would like to talk about some facts on banana peels before actually going into the fun part. I did not choose to eat banana peels because I got 0 pounds on my universal credit in my first month. But the reason was actually because I wanted to try out something new, something healthy, something weird, something more creative. Yeah, they are compostable, that's fine, but apparently they're very nutritious. More nutrition found in the banana peels than in the banana itself. So by eating the banana peels, we can reduce the amount of waste we actually produce and also boost our immune system. In fact, the peels are not only edible, but they are also rich in several key nutrients like potassium, magnesium, essential amino acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. But we need to look at the other side as well. Not having some banana trees in our background, the usage of pesticides can be high. Perhaps choosing organic suppliers can help to minimize such risk and also give a profound wash as well. So after some research, I again ended up kind of confused, like what should I do? If I should pick a ripe banana or an unripe banana, which one is better? Some says like it's better to eat the ripe one because it's sweeter, and the other says like no, you need to get the green one. So I decided in between, probably it can't go wrong, right? I also would like to talk about now a little bit like how you can actually prepare the banana peels, what you need to know before you actually start cooking, eating. So there are different ways you can actually eat banana peels. You can bake them, cook them, or fry them. What you need to do now is to cut off the inner parts of the peel, which is not the best to eat according to many sources. When you have the peels ready, you can either cook them fresh or freeze them. Personally, I tried frozen ones and that didn't really work out, while fresh ones were a lot tasty and soft. So personally, I would recommend to eat them fresh. Now, based on the recipe you're going to follow, you can chop them in different ways. I'm going to share you 4 episodes on different recipes. The first one going to be a noodle with banana peels. The second will be curry potatoes. The third one going to be probably pork burger. And lastly, meatballs. So make sure that you're going to stay tuned throughout the whole series and watch them all. I think this is all for this video. I try to keep it very short and simple, and yeah, let's have some fun with the food. Come back. Bye.